How to change password in Riot Games account. Hi friends, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, you would learn how you can change password in Riot Games account. So the first step, of course, is to log in into your Riot Games account, just like I have done here. And once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the home page where you can see all of these games. And by the top right corner, instead of the sign in button, you would see my account. So as you can see my account, click on the button and then you can see two options being displayed: settings and logout. Just go ahead and click on settings. So after clicking on settings, you'll be brought to your settings page. On this page, by the left side of the screen, you can see different options like Riot ID, personal information, Riot account sign in, connected account, etc. So once you're on this page, the next thing for you to do is to scroll down until you can see the Riot account sign in page. So on this page, the next thing for you to do would be for you to enter in the new password that you'd like to use, as well as confirm new password. Now, my username is not be displayed here because I did not sign in by creating a username. All right, so I will just go ahead to do that now, even as I change my password. All right, so then the next thing to do be for you to enter in the new password that you would like to use for your account. All right, so click on confirm password and enter in the same password that you entered in the first box. And then once you're done, the save changes button would be available. So just click on it, click on save changes, and then just like that, your password would be changed. So this is how it works. This is how you can change your password on riotgames.com. Thanks for watching and have a good time playing your favorite games.